Every day, I socialize with my people, my friends, my customers, ask some probing questions to say what are the challenges they are having with their work, with the way they do the business, trying to understand the workflow, as in the entire work process. So I can see how can we harmonize or optimize using the knowledge of data science and analytics to resolve some of the problems we have. Knowledge is ever evolving. There's no monopoly of knowledge. So we kind of advance. But actually I attended this class just to enhance my knowledge and also connect the dots. The instructor is knowledgeable and the peers are kind of encouraging. And also it's condensed within 1 week. You have so many things to do. After leaving the class, you have to go back home or go back to your hotel to continue reading and still learning. So learning never stops. I was having a challenge in the class, but the lecturers was receptive and was able to was quick to kind of help assist me to resolve all my problems. The challenge I was having, and it was able to explain in a simple, clear language. Oh, I recommend it because it's immersive and hands-on, engaging, and detailed. Though 1 week is too short, but it's very condensed.